Welcome back to Talks with Dr. Gupta and Friends. In Part 1, we explored the powerful framework called the last economy and the 1,000-day window, popularized by technologist and AI thinker Emad Mostaque. Today we go one level deeper, because if the world is reorganizing, the people who rise in that world won't be the traditional specialists of the last economy. They'll be something new, something we're only starting to recognize. Let's call them the AI-augmented generalists. For the past 40 years, the winning career path was clear. Specialize in a field by developing deep expertise. You became the person for supply chain optimization or cardiovascular drug discovery or enterprise pricing models. But AI flips the math because the kinds of narrow problems specialists used to solve, language models can now solve at competent or superhuman levels, 24/7 at almost zero cost. So what becomes scarce? Not people who can write code. Not people who can draft contracts. Not people who can analyze quarterly statements. What becomes scarce is people who can connect fields, spot the opportunity, rapidly prototype a solution, and then use AI agents to scale it. That is the AI-augmented generalist. The AI-augmented generalist isn't someone who knows everything. It's someone who is multilingual across domains. They can speak just enough engineering, just enough design, just enough business, just enough operations. Not expert level, but literate enough to combine them. Extremely fast at prototyping. They don't wait for a team. They use AI to draft a plan, build a demo, run user tests, iterate in a day. They execute 10 cycles while others debate the first step. They are comfortable with ambiguity. They thrive in pre-specification environments, where the path isn't clear, but the opportunity is massive. They operate through leverage, not labor. They aren't trying to do the work themselves. They orchestrate AI systems, tools, agents, workflows. They become force multipliers. You may ask, okay, but why do generalists suddenly win? Didn't everyone say specialists are the future? Here's the simple explanation. AI collapses the cost of specialized labor. When specialized tasks become cheap like writing, coding, research, editing, legal drafting, financial analysis, design, simulation, and forecasting. The person who wins isn't the one who can do the task. It's the one who can define the problem, assemble the components, and direct the AI to produce outcomes. The generalist's challenge used to be, I know a bit of everything, but I can't do everything myself. AI removes that limitation. Suddenly, multi-domain literacy becomes the highest leverage skill in the economy. There's a math model we can use. Outcome is equal to breadth times speed times leverage. So a generalist who can see across 3-5 domains and orchestrate AI workflows can outperform an entire traditional team. A single person can now use AI to code a minimum viable product, use AI to design the brand, use AI to run customer interviews, use AI to set up operations, use AI to run paid marketing tests. The best people inside large companies will be who knows about product plus data plus business hybrids, strategy plus technical plus storytelling hybrids, ops plus automation plus compliance hybrids. Not deep specialists, but orchestrators of AI-driven processes. You may ask, okay, but how does someone actually become this archetype? And the answer is, it's simpler than people think. It's just different from the old model. You need 3 layers. Layer 1 is foundational literacies, from 8 to 12 weeks. You need functional literacy in coding fundamentals, statistics and data thinking, design principles, business models, automation tools, prompt engineering, agent workflows, market analysis. Not mastery, literacy. Layer 2 is build small. Fast projects, from 12 to 24 weeks, aim for 20 micro projects across 5-7 domains. Each using AI heavily, this builds the combinatorial mindset. Layer 3 is choose a direction to become the person for X. Every AI-augmented generalist eventually orbits one theme. AI workflows for finance. AI-driven healthcare operations. AI in education. Redesign. AI in supply chain resilience. AI for content plus distribution. AI for geopolitical risk analytics. You don't specialize in a skill. You specialize in a problem space. In the next 1,000 days, the biggest career unlock won't be becoming a better specialist. It'll be becoming a better orchestrator. Because in the last economy, labor created leverage. In the new AI economy, leverage creates labor. And the people who understand that will write the blueprint of the 2030. Happy new thinking.